Hi, I'm Chanchal. I'm founder at NeoVoter. With NeoVoter, I'm trying to democratize the media. So it's pretty simple. So you have a problem, you report it on our app, which we are yet to make. And once somebody reports a problem on their app, then the people around them in that locality or in that community get a notification that this problem has been reported. Are you also affected by this problem? If you are, then you go there and you put in your opinion. If like that 50 people put in their opinion, somebody, if they have access to a data sheet, to a contract of any, let's say, government contract, then this creates a very structured, uh, very media rich content database. Using that content database of videos and documents, the machine can itself create a meaningful news on that particular matter. Along with that, we also provide a small setup for independent journalists to quickly just uh, take some snippets from each videos, put few images, put some text, and create a quick news bite on that particular issue. Now, the good thing is that this issue already has a pre-engaged audience, which is a very good thing about community journalism. There, when as soon as you publish the news, there are already 50 people who want to see that their issue has been reported, and they'll further share it. So this way we promote independent journalism, and we also create a big content repository that can be consumed, that can be used by anyone. It can be used by state media also if they want to pick up that particular issue. So that's the basics. Along with that, we are also planning to take few independent journalists from each community to train them to how to take interviews, what data to collect, what all points they should touch while reporting on any issue. And so we are organizing training for such journalists. Another thing is that what we are trying to do is that we are encouraging people to take up that issue with the authority. So we are putting a feature within the app to take the movement ahead, to talk about it with the people, to gather and go and talk to the authorities that how can we collaboratively solve it. So that way it becomes a two-way communications and the problems actually reach to the resolution. If we look around us right now, we see some issues that are reported in national media in India, and then they are actually resolved. The government does take care of them, and a lot of these issues, people send their opinions to the national news channels already. So it's already, you can see these things out there. We are trying to streamline them and also bring a media a little bit closer to people, to make it more decentralized. I believe that this way you can also get to know better about who did the good work in your leadership, in your representatives. Representatives can get to know that what are people's actual problems, and the government officials get to know that okay, these are the problems that are affecting, let's say, 500 people, 10,000 people. So we can prioritize these problems and urgently resolve them. So basically it keeps a watch on people, and also it's because it's a news reporting, so it will be interesting in a way, and so it will also bring a consensus among people for them to think on the same page and vote for the person who is actually right for them, who does the work for them. So that's why the name neo voter, basically a new kind of voter. So thank you very much. I hope I was able to explain the basic idea. The rest is written within the presentation about how exactly I'm planning to implement it. Thank you.